drive an all-white rank. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had iron. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it, then you lost all the time. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show 150, don't talk to me. You ain't never help your mans, don't talk to me. You just follow all the trends, don't talk to me. I set the bar, I'm the bar. In the sky, I'm a star.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Chastity. If it's your first time watching, make sure you subscribe because you don't want to miss me. So, today's video is going to be on this lovely hair that I have on today. It looks so nice. I know it looks really good and I look bomb as fuck in it. Yes, parting my lighting, I just really don't know what's okay, I'm gonna start with the accent, but I just really don't know what's going on with my lighting. Like, it's getting dark and getting light and I'm not sure how to fix it at this moment. I can just hope that I can somehow brighten up the video or something, but as of right now, it just really is just playing with my fucking emotions. That's not what we're here for. We're here to talk about this hair that I have on my head. So I'm going to read off the description of the hair just to make sure that I get everything right on it. This is from an Amazon-based company called JessicaHair. You've heard that name on my channel a few times. I've worked with them numerous times. It's a 613 blonde short bob. It's an 8-inch bob. It comes with a straight silk lace, pre-plucked hairline, and baby hairs. So I did do a little swooping of the baby hairs. I just don't like baby hairs, so I'm just really not that good at it. It's just not something that I do. So yeah, it's just not something I do. So yeah, so if it doesn't look like bomb AF, don't mind me. But when I do people's baby hairs, when I do their hair, it always looks good. But when I do my own, it looks like trash. But whatever. So yeah, this is from Amazon, like I said before. The price starts off at $49.50, and that's where the 8-inch starts. And then you can go all the way up to a 14-inch, and the 14-inch is $93. Comes in 2 days. That's like the best thing about Amazon Prime, is you always get your wigs like that super fast, so that's always a plus. I don't see anything about the actual density of the wig, but just from me feeling it, I feel like this is probably like a 130, maybe 130 density, not too much and not too little. It's just enough. So yeah, when I first got the wig, it had a middle part, and it also came with lashes. It came with like a wig cap thing. It came with a brochure on the wig, and the typical stuff that you usually would get inside of when you're getting your wigs. Let's get into some of the pros and the cons about this wig. The pros about this wig is that it was really soft. Like, this hair is so soft. Like, it's so soft, so lightweight. It did not smell when I got it. It smelled pretty okay. It didn't have like a bad smell to it. It did minimal shedding. There is a little bit of shedding with it. Not too much shedding. You can heat this up to 450. I put 450 heat on this wig and it still looks good. Some of the cons, I would say, is a lot of flyaways with it. Like, as far as like me, like after I'm flat ironing it, I'd have to spray some of my spray and play in there. Had to spray some of this in there just so the flyaways could stay away, but it can also still play. You can still play in it. I did use a little bit of mousse, but the mousse was just, I feel like my mousse that I was using was just making it more static than what it is supposed to be. And I don't know, maybe it's time for me to get a new mousse, maybe because I've had that one for a long time, but I don't know. Yeah, it was like a middle part. You can part it on the sides, but you can't go too deep on the side because most of the lace, like the length in the lace, is in the middle because it came as a middle part. I think it's about like 4 inches of parting space, 4 to 6 inches of parting space. But on the sides, you get down to like 2 inches and 1 inch. So you really can't part it like on the side. Like right here is where I feel like the tracks. So on the side, you really can't do much parting, but right in here, I did a little bit of parting. I went all the way right to here. So that's about 4 inches of parting, not too little parting. I wish it was more parting on it, so you can be more versatile with it, but like I said, you just can't do like a deep side part. It has to be like a semi-middle side part. I did go in with this part. I wanted this part to be a little bit more flatter, but it just wasn't getting as flat as I wanted it to do. I feel like the density of the actual frontal is a lot, like maybe like a 180 density or 200 density, but that's okay because I kind of like this like flip method. I like I flipped it up like that, and then I added some more of my spray and play in there just so the flyaways can go away and just so this can stay like that, but it would still have like that movement and that bounce to it as well. So yeah, I really do, I'm feeling myself in this wig. The last platinum blonde wig that I got was synthetic, and I was like, man, I really hope that a company sends me a platinum blonde wig because one, I don't want to spend my coins right now, and two, I just really like wanted to try like a human hair platinum blonde wig versus the synthetic one, because the synthetic one I had got like tangled up so bad, and it was a 30-inch synthetic. That long is you're just asking for it. Literally, you're just asking for it. I did install this off camera only because I was like doing all this other stuff. Like I was listening to my music, I was eating, I was doing so much, and that would have just took so long. Like I took so long to do that, and plus it's 12:46 in the morning. So yeah, but I did install it off camera. It took a little minute, but it was an easy one to do. I just made it longer because I was doing a million and one things while I was installing this wig. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I have to say about this unit on my head right now. I would definitely recommend buying this wig. It's a really great wig, and yeah, I really like it a lot. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye!